Alrighty folks, quick update. Camshaft synchronizer, it's the green bolt there, that's in. Snowplow wiring, it's pretty much all in. I just got to do the easy stuff. It's all in on this side though. I just got to tidy it up a little bit. It's ran through the firewall. I don't even know where that is on there. I'm looking and I can't see it. Oh, it's right. There's where it turns. So goes in down there somewhere. Keys, front shocks. I got to get some bushings and a longer bolt because that's way off with the key. So I want to destroy those. Rear shocks are in its back on jacks. So yeah, a couple more things coming. Started on the snowplow frame and magnet. Just gonna tack it up real quick, and I gotta run to the auto parts store and get some more tools again. So yeah, that's that.